Welcome back to MAURO'S Films. Today we have a new iteration of the FIMI Palm series Pocket 3-axis stabilized gimbal, the FIMI Palm 2. And today we will make a full in-depth review, show you some footage and what I think about it. So let's roll straight on it. I was testing it for a while, compared also with the original DJI Osmo Pocket. As you know, I made in the past a lot of tutorials and actually how to use the small little pocket cameras and get the most out of them. Mostly for the DJI Osmo Pocket. And the links will be in the description so you can check them out. As the FIMI Palm 2 cost $200, I compare it to the original DJI Osmo Pocket first edition because I didn't have the need to actually get the second version, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. And actually this is referred as a refresh of the FIMI Palm because it packs a lot of same features with the same sensor but with some improved features. Okay, so firstly, what's new about the FIMI Palm second edition? We have a big updated design with a big joystick in the middle, controlling the 3-axis stabilized camera on top. The screen is basically the same. The sensor is stated to be upgraded, but it's basically the same 1 to 2.6 size, with a lens of the aperture of f2.4. The actual recording resolution is still limited to 4K max 30 frames per second, no 60 frames per second here. The max bitrate is also 100 megabit per second. Basically some cost savings on one side with the chip and the actual sensor, to save money for some other little things. And these are the good things that improved. Under the bottom part, the 1/4 screw is a metal mount, so it will be perfect for any tripod and filming occasion. The second amazing feature is the actual 3.5mm microphone jack on the back side of the FIMI Palm 2. That's never seen on any other 3-axis stabilized pocket camera that tries to copy the DJI Osmo Pocket. So you are really able to plug in without any adapters a true microphone and make your audio sound just like you want it. And this is now a test filming with my Sony a7 S3 with a Takstar SG598 connected straight to my Sony, and you can understand how it sounds. And now I will connect the Takstar straight to the FIMI Palm and record a similar sequence so you can understand you can use actual professional big grade microphones for the same exact story. And this is now a test connected to my Takstar microphone using the 3.5mm port jack on the side, so you can understand the difference and if the pickup audio volume and the actual pickup inside the FIMI Palm is some kind of different of my Sony a7 S3. It should be improved really much. And now we are hearing straight the FIMI Palm internal built-in microphone arrays, so you can understand the difference between an outside microphone connected straight to the 3.5mm port jack and an internal microphone. Let's get in some other features. On the left side you'll find the SD card slot. In the front there is also the record stop photo button. On the top of the screen there is the dedicated touch sensitive selfie button to rotate the camera to a selfie position. There is an upgraded 2600 mAh battery that will hold up to 5 hours of recording in Full HD 30p. In 4K we are looking more for around 2 hours of pure 4K recording. I went out to get some footage, test the app and to get the actual feel about this product to get a conclusion. The face track works pretty much excellent and the movement for the tracking is fluent and kind of one frame ahead. No matter what, the face track on the FIMI Palm works better than the DJI Osmo Pocket. One of the great features that this camera has is the 128-degree field of view, getting much more in your frame, perfect for vlogging style shots. The stabilization works pretty well and no problems with it. Bigger steps will be more visible, but this is how it works with 3-axis gimbals. The 4th axis should be your hand, getting that movement stable. I have tested the 4x slow motion built-in and it goes down to HD, not even full HD, it's just 1280 720p. And watching it in even smaller smartphone screens looks grainy and the lack of resolution is really felt. So use it if you really need to get something slowed down in HD. I would rather shoot in 4K all the time, this is where this cam performs the best. If you want to be more creative, you will also get an F-Lock flat shooting profile. Entering the smartphone app, you will get connected straight with the built-in Wi-Fi. And all the functions and specs that this camera offers are inside. Total gimbal and scene adjustments, so you can fine-tune for your perfection. Filming resolution modes up to 4K 30 frames per second. Video options with metering, picture quality, color, natural, F-Log, vivid, video output and codec selection. Professional mode, so you can control all the camera parameters like shutter speed, ISO values and the white balance, so you get a total control of your exposure. Inside the app you will find also ready to use templates if you want to shoot a short style video ready to share. Mic intensity and aperture for a rectilinear look, while a slightly wider and not corrected rectilinear look. Selecting from panorama, photo, video, slow motion, time-lapse, you'll get all the features needed. The controls of the actual FIMI Palm 2 screen are just like in the older version and on similar cameras just like the DJI Osmo Pocket. Swiping the menus from left to right, up or down, right to left, you will be able to select all the settings just like in the app. So what's the verdict about the FIMI Palm 2? This is a very well designed package for those who don't need 4K 60p. You want a great battery life and the 3.5mm microphone jack makes it really stand out from the mess. The slow motion isn't the best in the resolution being only HD, but you have to take that in the $200 price point. You'll get also a cloth texturized hardshell case that looks stylish. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer them all. Yes, thanks Gear for sending me over this test unit. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icons to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.